All right, people. This is my review of the AUTOGEN Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. It's 6-inch portable, it's wireless, and it's got two pieces. So it's battery powered, and it's a brushless polisher kit for car detailing. And I'm actually gonna try it on my car. So first of all, we're just gonna unbox it and see what we got here. So you've got several different pads. Okay, we've got several different pads. And let's see what we see here on the so this would be for like waxing your car, for buffing it after you applying the wax, then also removing it. It's got a fast charger. You've got your instruction manual here. We have 5 different pads. 2 of them are flat and orange. 2 of them are kind of like waffle and orange. And then one of them here is like the typical kind of wax buffer. And then you've also got sanders if you're looking to do that too, to like sand it down, to like paint it or prime it or something. All right, so you also have these attachments for it that you can put over them. And you also have gloves. Here's the unit itself. Okay, I like it. It's got a nice grip. So I do need to charge it or put batteries in it. Oh, they could have batteries here. Let's see. We do it live here, guys, on this channel. That's what I do. I just unbox it with you guys. We're doing it live. Oh, that easy, guys. It's that easy. Dude, it's that freaking easy, dude. I just want to let you guys know, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. It comes with 2 of these. It comes with 2 12-volt lithium ion batteries. So you've got 2 of them, guys, which allows you to keep going no matter what. No matter what, man. You're going to keep going no matter what. All right, so let's see. Oh, this is stupid simple. This is stupid simple. It's basically like Velcro. Boom. It's on. That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. That's setting 1. That's setting 2. That's setting 3. That's setting 4. That's setting 5. That's setting 6. So you've got 6 different settings and 6 different speeds. Now let's take it off. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. This is simple, dude. This is stupid simple to use. So whether you're looking to actually like strip the car, you've got kind of like the sandpaper vibes in there, or if you're looking to buff it, like you're waxing it and you want to polish it, you've got that too. There's one more thing in here. Let's see what this is. Oh, obviously. I was wondering about that. You've got a battery charger. So you've got 2 different that's kind of cool. You got 2, they give you 2 batteries. So you can use both of them and then charge the other one while you're using the other one. So you can keep that stuff rolling. You could work all day on cars. If you're doing this professionally, and you just want to get more, be able to work more efficiently and keep things going, charge it while you're doing other work. You've got that. So this comes with pretty much everything you need. The grip is super good too. It's well built. It's plastic, but not cheap plastic. It's a very well built. This feels like a drill. Like you could use this. This is the same quality that a drill could be out of. A lot of drills are plastic too, but it's got a nice rubbery texture here for where you're going to grip. So ultimately, I think this is sweet. I'm going to try it on my car, and I'll add another video with that But I hope this helped you guys make a quick informed buying decision on this polisher buffer. Bye. All right, guys, so we're out here by the car. I just wanted to show the two different attachments you're going to use. You're going to use this flat orange one to apply, and then you're going to use this one to clean off and polish. So I'll just show you quickly. Just come a little closer here, and you can see we can up the speed. There we go. So you can see it. That's going to apply it real easily all around. Then what you're going to do, this is how easy this thing is to use. It stays when it's on, but it comes off pretty easily. So they're Velcro. And now you're going to let that dry, right? And you're going to turn this on, and you're going to polish it up. This thing's super cool. I've never used one of these before. This is cool. Ultimately, I love how grippy the handle is, how high quality it is, and how easy it is to switch these out. I hope I helped you make a quick, informed buying decision. Have a nice day.